Quick demonstration of a new custom app that I've been developing. I call it My Records. And what it's supposed to do is help you look at all of the records that are assigned to a particular collaborator or a linked record across all the tables in a particular base. So for this demonstration, I have a pretty simple base setup, a table for projects where each project can have a project lead, which is a single collaborator field, or a project team, which is a multiple collaborator field. Linked to each project, there are associated tasks, and tasks might have an assignee. I have a table full of clients. Clients are linked to projects, and clients are also linked to invoices. So in Airtable, if you wanted to look at each person's assigned or each project by the assigned project lead, you could have a view set up like this where it's grouped by that field, or you could have one view per project lead that filters out all the other project leads. The problem is that you'd have to do that for each and every collaborator, and if you have more than two, that becomes unwieldy. And if you wanted to have a particular view set up for each different collaborator, you would have to repeat that view setup for each one. And every time you make a change, you'd have to make the same changes in the other views. And you wouldn't be able to see all of your projects and all of your tasks in one place. So the app that I built basically allows you to circumvent that. So if I'm in my settings, you'll see I have two options. I can assign records by collaborator field or by linked records. The default is collaborators. And I have options for each of the tables in my bases. First, I'll select a template view, if you will. And I'll choose both grouping by project team and project lead. I want to see all of the projects I'm associated with. And I'll do the same thing for tasks. And if I click done, I'll get a table and I can expand each of these out, and you'll see that I have 4 records in the projects table where I'm either the project lead or I'm part of the project team. And then at the tasks table, I only have one task that's assigned to me. If I wanted to switch to another collaborator, I can easily do that by using the select field up at the top. By default, it will choose the current collaborator at the time. So my name is Camille, which is why it started off with Camille. And when you refresh, it'll default back to you. So it's very simple to look at all of the records of your choosing that are related to you. And if I chose a view for all projects and all tasks, but if I wanted to show only completed tasks or incomplete tasks, I can have all of those records pre-filtered, and I wouldn't have to repeat that same kind of configuration for each and every collaborator. Again, I would just be switching by using this select up at the top. Now, if I wanted to instead group by linked records, and let's say I want to view all of the records associated with my client, I would follow a similar process. You'll notice that the available fields have changed because I'm now looking for link type records and not collaborator type fields. So I want to see all design projects and also all invoices. So I'll click those, and then it'll update. And now I'll see all of the projects associated with the current client, and then all of the invoices with a particular client as well. There's currently none for this particular client. But I can search through all of the records in that base as well and easily switch back and forth. Same way as I could do with collaborators. This app is in early development. There are some features that I would like to add, some things that I want to change and clean up, but so far it's doing just about all that I can envision for what a My Records type app might do. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know, and I might incorporate that feedback into the future development of this project. I hope to have it released by end of April. And I will keep the community updated for when it's ready for release. Thanks for watching.